Hey plugheads, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something special for you. Audio plugin Deals has just released the Baxandall EQ by NoiseAsh. It's available for a limited time. Trust me, I'm sure you are going to love this one. So without further ado, let's dive in and check it out together. Okay guys, finally we have the plugin here, and so tricky to install the license. I'm waiting a lot of time, but it's okay. Off, on. Yeah, the sound is so crazy, so smooth, so beautiful, so musically. And here we have the preamp section to add warm and saturation like the vintage tube. Here we have the curves, or famous curves of this EQ, so musically. And here we have the frequency, and you can boost around this frequency here that you choose. Here we have the low pass filter, here we have the high pass filter, the same for the shelf, the low shelf here. Here we have the frequency, and here we can boost. Here we have the stereo image completely in mono or open it, the stereo field. And guys, here we have the input, here we have the output. So simple, so beautiful plugin, looks so nice, look like the hardware. Go download it, grab it now, go to the link in bio, and see you in the next video.